Read.
Assalamualaikum and very good
Evening.
evening. My name is Arifaika bin Muhammad Ferry. My metric number is 1995118. My faculty is Fakulti Bahasa Moden and Komunikasi. My college in college is College Tung Perak. I from Pasir Putih, Kelantan. My course communication.
Okay, everyone. Assalamualaikum and good evening.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay. My name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Azharuddin. My metric number is 192784. And I from Fakulti Bahasa Moden dan Komunikasi. And I stay at college ke-6. And I came from Perak. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Adi Ratna binti Zainal. My metric number is 194510. I from Fakulti Bahasa Moden dan Komunikasi. I stay at college ke-6 and I from Johor.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name and good evening. My name is Muhammad Aiman Arif bin Jais. I am from Pulau Pinang. I'm currently studying in human development at the Human Ecology Faculty, and I'm currently staying at the second college.
Hi, my name is Anil Faiz bin Anwar. You can call me Yul, and from Johor Bahru. And I took architecture from Faculty of Design and Architecture. My major number is 18430. Sorry for that. Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening. My name is Nur Adriza binti Ludin. You can call me Ija. And my metric number is 184717. And I'm came from art and design design and architecture faculty and taking course of architecture. And I stay in 11th college.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening guys. My name is Liana Husni. You can call me Liana. And I'm from Kajang. My metric number is 181812. And then I'm from Faculty of Design and Architecture. I take course Bachelor of Science in Architecture.
Okay, before I talk about myself, I would like to ask Aiman, what is your metric number?
Oh yeah, I forgot. My metric number is 19, 44 and 61.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Okay, thank you Aiman.
Thank you.
So, now I will talk about myself. My name is Raja Muhammad Izamuddin bin Raja Hishamuddin. My metric number is 182941. I am from Kajang, Selangor. And currently taking Bachelor of Science in Architecture from FRSB. And that's all. Continue.
Hello everyone, my name is Shazan Halal. My metric number 194923. I'm taking course Malay Literature from FMK. I came from Sabah. So that's all. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and good evening all. My name is Rafi bin Amran. I'm from Sabah. I came from Engineering Faculty and take course Computer Communication and Computer System and Communication. I'm staying at K10. That's all.
Alright, now we're done with the introduction. May as well talk about today. Right now we're having our first meeting for our LAX DIY. So at this meeting we're going to talk about our team and also materials that we might need. Also, we might maybe we can set up the next date for our next meeting. Alright, so first I open the table to anyone who would like to suggest the theme for our DIY project.
For me, I suggest our theme would be something visual, involve visual, or maybe audio, which means that we can see the object or the thing that we make, and then appreciate it by our eyes, and then
Thank you.
Don't take everything.
and then maybe we can make something that involves some lighting. Maybe for, what are your opinion?
Do you have any picture of it?
Oh yeah, I took a few screenshots and let me show to you guys. Sorry. Wait. Okay. From this picture, I've already sent it to the group. If you want to refer it. And then for example, for this first picture, it is DIY spoon lamp.
Show to the camera.
And then for this spoon lamp, the theme is lighting, obviously because it is lamp. And then it is easy to make for my opinion, because it only involves recycled bottle and then recycled plastic spoon. And I think it doesn't consume a lot of time to make it. So that's my idea. What about you guys? What do you guys think?
Alright, anyone have any ideas? Maybe Raja?
So that's a good idea, Liana. Other than that, I also think that we as a student, maybe we could make something that is useful in our daily life. So for example, we can make an organizer which we as a student always use to put our pen, our stationery and so on. So the organizer can be made using recycled material, which is maybe free, and because we as a student don't have enough money, so we can use something that we can find from around of us. So that is my opinion. So
Any idea from that side? Yeah. I think maybe some of us have any idea. Maybe have ideas? You?
For my opinion, I think we also can use the theme of clothing, which is from the clothes we change it into new materials such as tote bag, and then from clothes also we can change it into same goes like Raja said, like organizer. And I think yeah, that's it from me.
Yeah, I think that makes sense because in sense of clothing, are you saying as is we make a type of cloth and then we make an item out of it, or we make a new cloth out of additional accessories?
Yeah.
Alright. Like you know, like these plastic bottles, right? So if you cut up the curves around the bottom, and if you put up a bit of a, how to say, a bit of a color on it, it might looks like shell pattern. You know shell?
Yes.
Yeah. Sometimes you can use that. I think that's a good idea because I remember there's this one trend back then during my high school, where they use clothes that were made up to use no. You know the fireman jacket?
Yeah.
The firefighter's jacket? Alright, so basically there's the clothes that is used. People use it to make handbags out of those.
Yeah.
Right. Anyone remember that?
Yes. So like my experience, I had seen that kind of T-shirt, the old T-shirt. They make it to change it into a dress.
Ooh.
New design of dress. So they DIY it to be new style and not bought to use old clothes.
And you know what? My mom made my old father's T-shirt, something like T-shirt, and turn it into a pillow.
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. I think it's very easy, and the material is just a T-shirt and a track. That's it.
Oh yeah, I just realized because coincidentally just happened just now during Maghrib. I have a friend, a girl. She gave me a shirt.
Yeah.
The pattern is Batman, and the size is way too small for me, which is S.
Yeah.
So yeah, she thinks I'm that size. So what happens is that I can't wear that shirt. So instead, what I use it, just like you, I use the T-shirt as a pillowcase.
Yeah.
That's a great idea. So that you can appreciate her gift, right?
Yeah. So it does not go to waste.
Yes.
Yes. So any other ideas?
How about you guys? Do you agree with whose idea? Is it me or Aiman's or Ijaz? Whose idea?
I have no idea whose idea is clothing.
Which one do you
I
prefer?
prefer
The lighting or the
with
clothing?
I think I prefer with
Raja.
Organizer.
organizer. It's a bit useful for our like we student, we use always like to put our stationery.
Yes.
Or maybe we could put a vote to it.
Yeah, sure.
So those in favor of the visual theme, raise your hand. You can only raise your hand twice.
Oh.
Twice.
Okay.
I think
So,
I
visual
like
theme?
to use visual.
Alright, so there's forward. Are you raising your hand? Yeah. Okay, so there's 4 votes, including me, be 5. Alright, those in favor of the audio team,
No, the
There's no-
organizer.
or the organizer,
Organizer.
of the organizer team. Right, so there's 1, 2, 3,
Four.
and 4. You ready? You're raising your hand. So there'll be a close 5, and lastly, the floating line. Okay, mine. Okay.
Six of us.
Okay, that rules out the majority. So I guess our team will be clothing, but it won't be general, just might be specific. Generally, just clothing. Okay, so should we discuss on the materials used or the next date for the
Yeah. Should we discuss about the material?
materials used?
How do we get the material? Okay. I think where can we get the material is
I
I think first we need to list down what the material that we need to use. So it's
Yes, easy to find.
So
I think we
I
can.
forgot that. Which one we choose?
Clothing.
Oh yeah. so we just need cloth or anything else?
Needles.
I think we need some old clothes
Old clothes.
alright.
that you might not use anymore.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Needle.
Do we need to sew?
Yes.
Yeah, we need to do it.
I know unless we have the machine that
How much clothes we need?
That depends on the project. Anything?
We will know how much we need after we decide to make what to make.
This is just the basic materials, but we don't know exactly what we're going to make yet.
yeah.
Maybe some glue,
Yeah,
right?
perhaps.
Glue.
Okay.
We need to.
Because
So it makes it easier much than needle.
It doesn't work, I think.
buttons.
For accessories.
Okay.
Alright. So this is just the basic clothing materials. not the accessories included yet. Am I right? Okay.
Where we want to get it? Where?
From where we get the cloth.
Ini from ourselves. I
Yes.
think
Oh yeah.
here have shop like named DIY.
Oh.
Yup. There's all kind of thing that you can buy from there.
The nearest DIY is
But I
at
think
the Mas.
I prefer for us to donate the our old
Yes.
clothes.
Yes,
So
Isa.
it's much
to donate
easier.
as much, right?
I can agree.
Okay.
Alright, so
The next one is
okay, so we're making. Oh wait. First, may I ask? What time is it?
It's 93 minutes.
93 minutes. Okay, so
We will. I think we
um,
should proceed to discuss about the next day.
next day.
Next discussion.
It's already late.
The time is 12 hours.
Alright. Wait, next discussion. Okay, everyone open up their phones and check their calendars in case for next meetings if they are available. And okay, may I ask what date is it today?
Let me check my calendar.
Yeah, because
Oh, today is first,
right.
today first March ah.
Okay, the 1st of March. Okay, 1st of March. Alright. So maybe we can meet in 2 days. 2 days. Alright. Probably same place, but maybe at a different time. Maybe earlier, around 8 o'clock. Maybe.
Sure.
Everyone okay with it?
Okay. I'm agree with it.
Alright. So before we end the session, how about we do a bit of a finalize, or I'll say the summary of our meeting today. Alright. So for this meeting, we agreed on the theme of clothing.
Yes.
Alright. The basic materials will be cloth, scissors, thread, needle. So basically, basic clothing material. We did not include the accessories yet.
Yes.
Maybe for the next meeting, we can find the designs for that shirt, for that clothing. And our next meeting will be on 3rd of March, right?
Okay.
Okay, so I guess that's it.
okay.
So that's it for today. Good evening and Assalamualaikum.
Okay.
Lol.